Hey, welcome back to acommonroom.org. It's Danny again, your fellow traveler and friend. I'm going to show you right now how real quickly to go in and customize your profile. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to sign in. So we'll go to the pop-up place and I'm going to go into my test account, which we all know is Danny the Man, and enter my password, which will then load up my profile page. Once we are into the profile page, we will see right here a tab that just says admin. By clicking on admin, my whole admin section is going to load up where I can go in, edit what I'd like my name. Maybe I want to capitalize this. Maybe I want to change my motto. We're going to say, instead of I love to travel, maybe travel's fatal to prejudice. If I would want, I could go in and change my profile picture. We'll go in and save this. Happens maybe I'm traveling and so I want to change what my location is. So if I go back into my account here, go into the admin area, I can go into the location. This allows me to easily just change my location. Say maybe I'm actually at home now and I'm in Idaho. Boom, that would be done just like that. I can change whatever I'd like my travel style to be. Here we can change my favorite train station, airport, hostel, whatever. If I want to add a little bit about myself, I can also go in and do that. I have a little prepared sentence here, so I'm just going to come in and make sure to edit and drop that right in here. And let's throw a landscape picture, make it kind of fun. So I'm going to choose a file and I'm going to grab this Danny helmet picture, which I know is kind of neat. I'll upload that. And here's a picture of me on a recent motorcycle trip. A little about myself, and I'll go ahead and save that. Now if anybody were to go into my account and they would take a look at my bio, they would get to see all about myself, because there's a big photo of me, a little bit about myself, some information, kind of start to make it a little bit more customized. If I want to make it even more customized, also right back into the admin area, I can go into my other networks, add my Facebook account, add my Twitter handle, my Flickr. If I want to link to my YouTube, I can go in and change my password, connect this to my Facebook account, review which groups I'm a part of, what people I'm following, or maybe even change how I want to communicate with Hosting International USA. All these different customizable features are available for you on a common room in your profile under the admin area. Thanks again, and I'll see you in a common room.